Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cheshin Yakshimaj. Well, I know that it is post-Christmas and it is now post-New Year, but I don't care. I've been meaning to do this video since last year, and by hook or by crook, I'm going to get it done. So if you remember previously, last year before Christmas, I have this Christmas jumper that I've had for absolutely ages. I love it. It's really comfy and squishy. It's a Christmas t-shirt, and in the t-shirt there are some LEDs. In the pocket of the t-shirt there is a pouch where you would put a small battery pack powered by like watch batteries. But I thought it would be a clever idea to power them with AA's, and unfortunately it blew the light. So the lights broke, so I blew up my Christmas jumper, which is what the title of the video was. What I've got now is a pack of LEDs. They're kind of like blue and green and red and orange. There's two settings on them. There's flash and there's on. They're nice and bright. What I want to do is to replace the lights that are in here with those ones. Now, let's get you a bit closer because I'll show you the inside of the sweater. I've got a bit of a dry tickly cough, so I do apologize. Let's turn this sweater inside out. So here is the panel that is covered in this like t-shirt material. Here is the little pocket where the battery pack was, where you keep it. But unfortunately now that's not going to be the case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hack it with some scissors, and I'm going to make a hole in the corner. And I'm going to slice the bottom of that liner without ruining the sweater. And that will reveal the electrics going on inside. That's where it was cut off. So you can kind of see in here where the lights go. I get my snippers. I'm going to snip away. Oh, that one's actually broken off, that one completely. Okay, so I've left the wires sticking out of where the lights are, and they are glued on, I believe. Yes, they are glued in. So they're quite easy to remove. Let me remove the rest of them. Okay, so I've now removed all the old wires and the LEDs from the t-shirt. This is the new pack. There are more LEDs on this than there was on the old one. So this is the original pocket where the batteries were kept. It's very stretchy. I can still use that, as you see, to pop the battery pack in. So that's not a problem. So what I need to do is to create a hole in here where the wires can go through. So if I make a hole in the bottom of that little pocket, which it didn't have before, carefully, I am going to feed the lights through that hole that I've just made. There we go. So I'm temporarily just going to put those lights back into that little pocket. There we go. And now the lights come from the inside, revealing the t-shirt, the sweater itself. Now I'm feeling through the sweater just to make sure that there are no bulbs through it. Right, okay, so on the on the sweater we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 20 lights. But of course you're kind of restricted by the width of the bulbs. So for example, you could have 3 there, 1, 2, 3 there, going up to 1, 2, 3 there, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, we'll do it like that. That'll be fine. It doesn't really make much difference. I'm not looking for perfect symmetry. First thing I need to do now is to get out my glue gun, because you need to kind of like push these through the sweater. I wouldn't really force a hole through it, but there we go. You can kind of make sure that the bulb sticks out through it. So if I turn it on, there you go. So you'll see it. You don't want the entire thing sticking through, you just want the bulb sticking through. So that's really all how much you put on there. So you don't want the whole thing sticking through. That looks kind of ugly. So I'll do that. And then I will use some hot glue to glue that on. So let me go get the hot glue gun. Okay, so here I have my little Parkside hot glue gun and various glue sticks. I've got glitter ones and plain ones. I think we'll stick with the glitter one. I've got a glitter one in there. Okay, I've got my glue gun ready. Let's do the first one. Okay. Ugh, that stick gets everywhere. Ow! next one along. Okay, there we go. That one is in. Let's glue gun that one. Next. And this one. So I'm just going to carry on glue gunning the rest of the lights on. Okay, I'm going to give this completely 10 minutes to completely dry. And then I'm going to go back over some of them to make sure that they are stuck in place. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm just going to reinforce some of them. Actually, I think I'm reinforcing all of them. It's quite easy to do one side when you're doing it at first, but then you have to go back and do the other side. Of course, you can do this with all types of sweaters. Doesn't have to be Christmas ones. You can jazz up any of them. Make sure you don't spend too much time on one part, otherwise you will probably burn and melt the wires. I'll give you this quick demonstration today, and then I'll have to put it away. Okie dokie, pig in a pokey. Let me turn off my glue gun. Right, I'm going to give this another 10 minutes to harden, and then we'll have a look and see what it looks like. Okay, all the glitter is now dry. It's exciting. That will cover all of that. Let's pop it in the right way round. Okay, let's get ready for Christmas jumper number 2. Let's switch it on. Ah! Oh my god, that is so cool. Got them on, and we got them flashing. Oh, look at that. Fixed. And the thing is now, because I'm using these, 3 AA batteries, that's going to last for ages. That's going to last through the whole of Christmas. Right, I've got to get this on so you can see it. Okay, so for Christmas 2023, I can wear my Christmas sweater again for another day. So fantastic. Controls here on my hip for turning it off, turning it on full, or having it on flashing. So there we go. I finally blew up my Christmas sweater and I have fixed it again. I hope you've enjoyed. I'm really happy with it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.